It's so ugly. I love it.
They should put a parking garage right here.
They should.
Jeff, it has been 6 years since our last 3rd of July vlog
Oh, yeah.
with Eddie.
We don't really get invited to these things anymore.
Yeah, it's...
We kind of killed Eddie.
Of course.
Yeah, gotta document it.
Gotta document every single thing in my life.
Friend historian.
So when I die,
No one will watch.
Jeff, remember Dip No Chin?
I remember the name, but what is that? Dip no chin?
6 years ago.
Dip no chin.
About
Oh, the
dipping
guy
no
who
chin.
dipped and he lost his chin.
Yeah.
That's a fate worse than death. I want to give a warm apology to everybody who ever lost their chin.
To dipping,
I don't know how it feels, but I really don't want to.
And we won't. Because we don't... The video... Well, we're not using flash right now.
You know what it was? It's because it was not as dark. I mean, there you go.
Oh my god, that's a kiss.
Wait.
It's starting. It's starting. It's starting. It's starting the fireworks. Wow, look at that. Can you see?
Is that it?
That's the fun.
That's amazing.
Is this
Amazing.
That's the only one coming from boats.
Amazing. This is great. This is so romantic.
Do you think I could fit "Keep Austin Weird" on my forehead? There's plenty of room.
Jeff, here's the new challenge. We're reviewing them, but we're not showing them.
The challenge is to pay attention because it's boring.
That one's like a 5 out of 10.
Gets turned into biomass.
8 out of 10?
Oh,
He's focusing.
I'm not impressed. What, one firework becomes 3?
What does that even?
What will they come up with next?
5 fireworks to become 7.
Well, let's see. That's one that's kind of shaped like an iPhone. DraftKings.
Download DraftKings.
Download DraftKings. Put that ad right here.
we're surrounded. It's like we're surrounded. Right behind us.
Guys, it's getting interesting.
It's getting so fun.
There's some wild things going on here tonight. We will.
Is he still?
We will.
Is he still?
Yeah, so
Everybody move! I know this kid's son.
it's still being shut down.
What did you do?
Looking around during the fireworks.
Country roads, take me home.
Gwendolyn, we gotta go.
To the place
Show it.
I belong. These ones are a bit close. Oh. Whoa. Scare ya?
Yeah. That's beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's what America's all about, baby.
America, right?
Blowing shit up.
Yes.
You think it tastes good? Why don't we find out? Oh no! Somebody grab it! The fuck? Yeah! Oh me, we're just chilling. claim line?
Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go to the polls.
I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
Jeff, do a rap battle with Eminem. Michael.
All right, listen up, little
He's
kids.
from 8 Mile.
They call me.
I don't. Yeah.
I can make orange live with banana. I aim for the head of the heart.
I know, I'm sober.
I'm gonna
sorry.
like the Joker.
Have a fucking thought.
I was aiming for the head of the heart. So listen up, little kids. They call me Snipes. Cause I was aiming for the head of the heart.
I'm sorry, little kids, but I'm a killer clown today. I could say bullets are gonna spray. I'm from Brooklyn. That's alright.
Hey, I'm a little drunk, but Jeffrey
A little.
is my boy.
They call me Snipes.
Are you? I'm sorry, little kids. I'm a killer clown today.
Clown today.
Bullets are gonna spray.
I'm gonna say Bills will spray.
I'm from Brooklyn. It's alright.
That's all right.
I'm from Brooklyn.
I can see more in my phone than I can see in real life.
You need to get better night vision, bucko.
That's true. Maybe I do.
Do you even rep the set? Do you even rep the set?
I will remember this in the morning,
Rep the
guys.
set?
End of the vlog.
End of the vlog. We're going tonight. We're going to bed. Bye, folks.
Jeff's in the bathroom.
Jeff's in the bathroom. He's taking a fat ass pee.
Look at that cat. Hey, kitty. Hello, kitty. Oh, she's so sweet.
She's like the sweetest kitty ever known.
Wow. All right, goodbye, everybody.
And let me just say this as well. If you want to be the Joker, why don't I give you a bottle of pills, a Chelsea smile, and instead of Heath Ledger dying, why don't you replace his death?